ito yung masasabi ko sa laban ni Casimero at saka ni Neri. Si Casimero, 37 years old na. Okay? Si Neri, 31. Si Neri at saka si Casimero, parehong nahihirapan sa timbang yan. Kaya nga nagulat ako na WBA Gold Super Bantamweight sa 122. So I'm telling you this off the top of my head that whoever is more conditioned is gonna win. Both of them are power puncher. Both of them, magaling, high-level fighter. But I think this fight is more than just the skill. Kainig ka ha? It's more than just a skill fight. It's a disciplined fight. Sabi ko 126, siguro komportable sila pareho, pero nagulat ako na super bantamweight ang kanilang pong paglalabanan. In fact, sabi, eliminator pa daw. Which I'm surprised because paano magiging eliminator? Wala naman nakarang sa dalawa sa super bantamweight. Ito si Neri nakarang 5-5 and then 10 yata sa mga sanctioning bodies. Si Casimero hindi. So, who knows? So, but this fight will be the toughest fight for both boxers in recent years. Okay? Yung mga nakalaban nila was, in all honesty, these are tune-up fights for them. And Neri lost to Naoya Inoue. That was a bad knockout defeat. And ito naman si Casimero lost to Akinusuke Kameda. Pero syempre nakabawi siya kay Misokoshi na alam naman natin natatalunin niya yon kahit nakapikit pa yung mata niya. Ganun siya kagaling. Ngayon sasabihin niyo sa akin, balingbing ka Sir Pao, sasabihin mo, pag maganda sinasabi ko, pag balingbing, pag hindi maganda sinasabi niyo, hater ako, saan ako puposisyon? Huwag na lang kaya kayo manood. Anyway, initially, what I will tell you that this is a battle of whoever is more disciplined between the two. Because whoever comes up as the mas condition at hindi hirap sa timbang, yun ang mananalo. Of course, I want Filipino to win. There's no question. Every time a Filipino is fighting, alam natin, yun ang gusto nating manalo. Pero, if you ask me, Sir, ganito, sino ganito? I did tell you, na yung laban ni Donaire at saka ni Masuda kung sino yung lamang si Rico doon. Di ba? So, this one, kung sino ang mas may disiplina at kung sino makakuha ng timbang, will win. Now, for the technical aspect, let me think about it. Okay? Let me think about the technical aspect, yung keys to win, at saka yung, kumbaga, tinatawag nating official prediction, saka natin pag-usapan. Okay? But let me know, what do you think? Do you agree na disiplina, kung sino ang mas may disiplina sa dalawa, yan ang mananalo? Let me know sa comment section.